Dear student, this is Shailesh Devidas Janbandhu, Assistant Professor, Department of BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In last session, we discussed about the installation procedure of computerized accounting or Tally ERP9 software. Now, in this session, we discuss about the different components. When we open a Tally ERP9 window on our computer system, we have this type of screen. This is called component of Tally ERP9 screen or window. It has horizontal button bar, main area, close button, then vertical button bar, calculator pane, task bar, info panel. Different options are available or parts are of Tally ERP9 screen will be available. So let's discuss about the component. The first component is horizontal button bar. In horizontal button bar, we have different options available on that, just like print, email, import, upload data is available here. Some parts of the software will disabled and some one are available. Just like print, email, import are available. Just like control center, support center are also available. Help are also available. But some portion just like upload, import are not accessible for the educational mode. In vertical button bar, we have different buttons or options on the screen. It's displayed or appear according to the screen or active window. It will be changed according to active window. Then third one is main area. It can be accessible by control plus M. The main area has two parts, that is left hand side and right hand side. In left hand side, we shows or the system will show all the companies or open companies on which we are work or loaded are displayed in this portion, but the active company will be highlighted and another companies are dimmed. Next one, right hand side, it is the menu option, that is called gateway of Tally. All the operations or commands are available in this gateway of Tally option or menu. Next component is info panel. Info panel is divided into different sections, just like number one, product, where the Tally logo will be appear. Next one, version and update. It provide which type of version we use and which the updates are available or not on internet. It will give all the types or information about the version and update. To display the version, we should press Ctrl plus Alt plus T combination to display this version and updates. Next one, license and subscription. If our version is or if our software is licensed, then all the details about the product license such as site ID, account ID, serial number and different information will be displayed in this portion. To display license and subscription information, we can press Ctrl plus Alt plus L shortcut key. Next one, configuration. Fourth portion of the info panel is configuration. It will display the statutory detail or configuration details such as proxy configuration, data configuration and so on, just like ODBC, open database source. Connectivity can be displayed on it. It can be displayed by using the Ctrl plus Alt plus F, Ctrl plus Alt plus F shortcut key. Next portion is calculator. Calculator, when we want to calculate some values or percentile on amount, just like interest calculation or other calculation can be made using the calculator. To activate the calculator, press Ctrl plus N shortcut key to activate the calculator panel. and again want to go to main area, we should press Ctrl plus M. So Ctrl plus N for calculator activation or panel activation, and main area, to join the main area or to go to the main area, press Ctrl plus M shortcut key. Taskbar. Taskbar shows the display, shows the system date, time are displayed here. Also on which command or which option we use in Gateway of Tally also provide the path of that particular option on the taskbar. So on the button bars, we have two types of button bars, that is horizontal button bar and vertical button bar. In horizontal button bar, we have print, export, email, upload, language, keyboard, control center and support center. There have some shortcut keys and functionality, just like print. To print, by default when we use Microsoft Office, that time to print any document or Excel sheet or any other documents, we use Ctrl plus P. But here we use the Alt plus P option to navigate the print menu. Next one is export, Alt plus E, email, Alt plus M, upload, Alt plus O. These buttons are disabled in Gateway of Tally screen. Next one, language, Alt plus G. To change the language, it means the change of our options. Means the Gateway of Tally or ledgers or masters are displayed in another language, not in English language. Keyboard. Keyboard shortcut key Alt plus K to change the keyboard language, just like to change the language from English to Marathi, English to Gujarati, English to Kannada, we should use Alt plus K or keyboard option. Control center, Ctrl plus K, log into control center. It provides all the queries or information regarding the software, or we can ask the control center to log into control, to log in and provide the or access the control center. Support center, to post queries if any relating to the product. Support center, just like customer care, we provide our queries and the customer care provide the answers about that particular query. Same way support center also provide the solutions for our queries. For that, Ctrl plus H shortcut key is used. Next one, vertical button bar option. These are the options when we open the Gateway of Tally. Means every activated window has different vertical button bar or options on the button bar. These options are available on the Gateway of Tally or main screen. Okay, so first one is select CMP. CMP for company. To select a company, press F1. Shut a company, Alt plus F1. Means shut means just close the company, not delete the company. Here, just like we work on any document, after working we close it by close button. Same way, but it available on our computer system. Whenever we need that file, we can open that file. Same way, shut a company means just close a company, and when we want to retrieve that company, we can access it by select company. Date, shortcut key F2 to change the current date. When we want to change the date according to the date wise or chronological date wise, that time we should change the date. Next one, period, Alt plus F2 to change the period. It is used to change the period. Company, F3 to select the different company. Company info, it is a menu to create, to select, to shut. Alt plus F3 button is access the company info menu. Connect, F4. These are the F4, F2, F3. These are the functions key, not the key F and numerical 3. These are the functions key which are available on the top of our keyboard. Feature, to access the company feature menu for company. The shortcut key is F11, and configure F12 to access the configuration setting. We discuss the feature and configuration later. Next one is, so these are the component of Tally ERP9 screen. Now to work on the Tally ERP9, we should create a company. To create a company, we should follow these steps. Okay, so on the gateway of Tally screen, press Alt F3 company info. When we press Alt plus F3 key, the company info menu will appear on our screen. In this menu, select the create company option. In this menu, create company option. Fill all necessary details, and to save the company or to create the company, accept yes, or press Y key or press enter key to create a company. When we click on the create company, this window will appear. This is called as a company creation screen, where we should provide the details about directory, name, mailing address, country, state, pin code, phone number, mobile number, fax, email, website, financial year for the company, books beginning from the company, security control, where we can provide the password for our company, base currency information also provided, just like in the screen, displayed in the screen. These options are available on our company creation screen. Shut a company means to close a company. When we do not want to work or we do not work on a current company, that time we should shut a company to free the memory. Shut company can be accessible by two ways. Just like on button bar, F1 shut company button can be pressed, and it will, after pressing that, it goes to the shut company option. Or by the process, click on gateway of Tally, press Alt plus F3, the company info menu will appear. Select the shut company option. When we select the shut company option, the image or next screen will be available. Shut company menu will appear. Select the company which you want to close, and from the list of company, the company will be shut or closed. It will not displayed on our main screen, but we can access it from another way. Next one is alter or modify company information. To modify means some changes are available, or we want to make some changes, just like mailing address, to change the mailing address, phone number, or the books beginning from, we can use alter or modify company information option. To modify the company information option, go to gateway of Tally, press Alt plus F3 key, combination key, the company info menu will appear. Select the alter option. In alter option, the alteration screen appears. The alteration screen will appear. After alteration screen, make some changes or make the described changes and press yes to save the changes. Means if we want to make some changes in a company information, that time we use the alter or modify option. The changes will be in name, address, state, pin code, or other options can be changed here. Next one is how to delete a company. Same way, when we want to create a company, shut a company, or close a company, alter a company, we use the same way. But shut company means close the company, but the company is available in our computer system. It can be accessible afterward. But when we delete a company, we cannot access that company again. So remember that if you delete your company, it never be accessible. Just like in our system, if we delete a file or a folder, it goes to the recycle bin and we can restore it. But in Tally, we cannot restore the deleted company. If we delete once, it never be reaccessible or restored. So to delete a company, follow the steps. Gateway of Tally. On gateway of Tally, press Alt plus F3 Alt plus F3 key. It will give a company information menu. From company information menu, press Alter option. In Alter option, select the company which you want to delete. When we select a company, alteration screen appears. After alteration screen appear, press Alter plus D shortcut key. Press Alter plus D shortcut key. When we press that, a wizard or a message will display, that is delete, yes or no confirmation. If we press yes, the company will be deleted. If we press no, the whole process will be cancelled. So remember that when we delete a company, we destroy all the data from our computer system and it never be accessible or it never be accessed. Thank you.